Coach Line taking the walk. Dee Vicious blocking as well. Alright, when you get ejected from the game, you can't stick around trackside. You have to actually go away.
Alright, the first time I've seen both coaches be ejected from the game at the same time. A big round of applause for Dee Vicious for helping out the Winnipeg girls, and a big round of applause for everything that Coach Line does for roller derby in Alberta. And Saskatchewan, for that matter. Don't forget, after the bout, to go to Sharks Garage Pub at the Red Deer Lounge, 4311 49th Avenue, Red Deer. Party with the roller girls.
This should be interesting being both coaches out.
Okay, now that I've seen both coaches get thrown, I think my goal is to have both announcers tossed. You're not supposed to applaud that.
Ouch. My bad. So since you asked, from the Belladonnas has a power jam.
I forgot one word after toss. I think it means off.
Since you asked, collecting a contract penalty is not lead jammer.
Which means with Crisco Kid still in the penalty box, she has a chance to get a lead jam when she comes up.
St. Last collects a grand slam, 5 points for the Belladonnas.
Well, that's 5 points. I thought Jeftimus was like doing his best stay alive dance.
Central House with another grand slam, another 5 points for the Belladonnas. But Crystal King makes it through and makes lead jammer.
Central House just slowing down, not letting Crisco Kid by. That was a full 2-minute jam. And if you think it's easy to skate around this track and hit for 2 minutes, I invite you to come and try out for the Red Deer Roller Derby Association Belladonnas. Up against Ella against
River taking a elbow majors off to the penalty box for a minute. Washington is out there trying to take out Ella Fitzgerald. Hollywood Homicide is your lead jammer. Oh, and Ella goes down.
Fortune Mary, one-woman wrecking crew out there.
Fish lap is being sent off for a cup track victory by Pomerazzo. You can. who can't cut in front of the foremost blocker. He's been bumped out of bounds. But with the penalty box full, Bishop was sent back out of the penalty box and now going back in because Pete Cannonball is back on the track.
It puts up 5 points for the grand slam. Fortune Mary, a little bit of taunting of audience after she takes her down.